Yeah. Earlier I was explaining the SAP projects. Okay, SAP, we have total 5 type of projects. Okay, one is implementation project, second one is a rollout project, third one is enhancement project, fourth one is upgradation or brownfield implementation project, and fifth one is support project. Okay, first one, implementation project. First I will explain the implementation project. Implementation project. What does it mean by implementation? All fresh implementations, it will come under implementation project. All fresh implementations. Example, fresh in the sense, currently I am running the business past 20 years and I am recording my data in XYZ software. Example, X software I am using currently since 2002 to till 2022. I am using the Tally software or some other software. Now I want to move from Tally to SAP. Okay, SAP, I want to move it to SAP. What is the first process? First we have to purchase the SAP server or SAP license. SAP server or SAP license, first we have to purchase from SAP. Okay, once SAP server is ready, then we have to migrate the Tally data from Tally to SAP. Okay, we have to migrate all your old system information to new system SAP. Okay, here this project is an implementation project. All fresh implementation projects. Okay, all fresh implementation projects, it will come under implementation project. Okay, this process duration, that means this project duration will be 9 to 16 months. 9 to 16 months. Okay, some vendors, for example, small medium scale companies, service based companies, for example Yes Technologies, or some XYZ startup companies, they will complete this entire process within 3 months, within 4 months, within 5 months. This is not a constant duration. This is a SAP recommendable duration. Okay, minimum it's required to complete one implementation project 9 months, maximum 16 months. Okay, this is a duration 9 to 16 months to take to complete the implementation project. Okay, next one, this is the implementation rollout project. Rollout also some kind of implementation only. Okay, rollout also some similar to implementation, but only difference is here SAP server is not required. SAP server not required. Why? Because already if client is having the SAP system, SAP server, same server, if you implement to, if you migrate some other process, okay, some other company code, then that particular work, it will come under rollout project. Example, okay, I am running the business past 22 years, okay, across the globe. I am operating in India, from India, and other one US. Okay, I am operating my business in India and also US. First, initially, okay, both countries, from past 20 years I am operating the business, I am recording my business activities in Tally system. But initially, as part of 2022, due to budget and other things, okay, I purchased the license and I implemented SAP in only India business process. Still I am using US Tally. Okay, till 2023 or 2024, I am using the Tally system. Okay, I am recording all my business US business operations in Tally. Okay, now as part of 2024, can you please go on mute? As part of 2024, now I want to migrate my US business operations also to SAP. Okay, here Is it really required to purchase the SAP license here? No, not required. Why? Because already we procured the license in 2022. We purchased the SAP license in 2022 and we are using SAP for India country. Okay, India business process already implemented. We are operating the India business process in SAP itself. Now, within same server, within same license, okay, we will implement the US business process also. Okay, this is also fresh only. But here, no need to purchase the SAP license again. We have everything available, readily available. Only we have to extend our country business process. Okay, country business process in existing server. That project it will come under rollout project. Okay, simple. If you are going to extend your business process, okay, if you are going to extend your business process in other countries business process or other company code business process, other plant business process, if you extend it to other company codes, other countries, then that work it will come under rollout project. Okay, this project duration will be minimum 6 months, minimum 6 to 12 months. Okay, this project duration minimum 6 months, maximum 12 months. Okay, next one, enhancement project. Enhancement project. Okay, enhancement project in the sense if you are enhancing any additional thing in existing structure, existing process, then that work it will come under enhancement project. Okay, enhancement project. Example, within India 2022. Okay, from 2022 onwards, I am using SAP software in India company codes, India business process, but I was not completely implemented. I was not completely implemented. Okay, I was not completely implemented. I was implemented only FI module. Okay, I was implemented only FI module, or within FI, earlier I was not implemented the asset accounting module. Earlier, I was not implemented the asset accounting module or some other module I was not implemented initially. But after some years, after 2 years, after 5 years, after 10 years, I am going to implement that particular business process in existing system. Then that work it will come under enhancement module. Okay, big enhancement it will come under rollout. Small work it will come under enhancement project. Okay, these two are similar, sir. Big work, okay, more than 3 months, more than 3 months work it will come under rollout project. Okay, less than 3 months it will come under enhancement project. Enhancement project duration 3 to 6 months. Okay, enhancement project duration 3 to 6 months. Okay, next one, upgradation project. Upgradation project, what does I mean by upgradation? Upgrade the one version to other version. Example, currently I am in ECC system. Initially in 2022 I was implemented ECC version. Okay, ECC version. Now I want to implement S4 HANA new version. Here it's required the new version license. Here it's required the new version license. Even though I'm in SAP, but I'm in older version. Okay, you have to procure the latest version or new version license. Once license is available, then you have to migrate your data from ECC version to S4 HANA version. That migration ECC to S4 HANA or some other version. Example, earlier I was in ECC 4, now I want to go to ECC 6. Okay, I want to move from ECC 4 to ECC 6 or R1 to R2, R2 to R3. Within R3, I was in 4.7 or 4. Now I am planning to move it to 6 or EHP 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, any version. Any version upgrade it will come under upgradation project. This project duration will be based on the project and version size. It will take 4 to 8 months to complete the project. Okay, This work, it will come under upgradation project, and it will take around 4 to 8 months to complete the enhancement project. Last one is support project. Support project. Okay. So after completion of this all 4 projects, after completion of implementation, okay, I have completed the implementation within this time period. 16 months I took and I completed the implementation. After implementation, okay, if business user is facing issue, example, I'm using the Apple mobile, okay, but I'm not able to use applications, I'm not able to download the apps in my mobile, then what is my next step? My next step is I need to approach it to customer support executive. Okay, Apple store, I have to go to Apple store and I have to explain my issue. Apple store, Apple team, they will check and they will rectify my issue. Same similar here, even though this Apple mobile is mine, okay, even though my Apple mobile is mine, I procure the Apple mobile, but support, it's continuous support is required, right? Whenever facing any difficulty, I have to approach to respective team to clear or rectify the issues. Same similar, once implementation is completed, okay, during I'm operating my business in SAP system, okay, past 4-5 months I'm operating, but I didn't get any issues. Now during the salaries payment, during the month end, I'm paying the salaries to employee, I'm paying the salaries to employee. Around my salary, my employee count is 100k, 1 lakh employees I'm paying the salaries, but all 1 lakh employees, they're not getting the salary because of some issue. Then we need the some technical support. Okay, we need the some technical support. That means I have to maintain always to support to team to support my issues. Okay, my issues whenever facing any difficulty, any new requirement, always all the clients, if you are using SAP, it's required the support, you have to give the contract to some company. Last time someone was asked, sir, after completion of this HCL 16 months, Capgemini 5 months, okay, Capgemini 5 months, what is the 6th month, 7th month, 8th month process? 6th, 7th, 8th, after this 5 months or after project implementation, okay, next they have to give the contract to support to team, either same Capgemini team, again they have to give the tenders, okay, they have to ask the tenders, whoever providing the best quotation, they will give the contract to them for support. Following, right? Okay, continuous support is required. Support project duration, no duration. Okay, infinitive, always continuous support is required. Okay, continuous support is required, continuous support is required, right? Above 4 projects, we have the duration, we have the time period, but the 5th project, continuous support. Okay, no time duration. What does it mean by first project? All fresh projects, fresh implementations, it will come under implementation project. Here, first step is you have to procure the SAP license. You have to purchase the SAP license or SAP server. Once server is available, then you have to start the process to move your data from Tally system to new system SAP. Okay, generally this project duration you can complete within 1 month also, no one will stop you. Okay, but SAP recommendable duration is, okay, this project SAP recommendable duration 9 to 16 months. Okay, within this time period you have to complete. Otherwise sometimes they will ask you, they will continuously they will implement within 5 years also. Okay, if they take the 5 years for this implementation, then when will you use? Okay, that's why SAP provided this duration, maximum 16 months in case of big projects. Small projects you can complete within 9 months. We have this step-by-step processor. What is the first step? What is the second step? What is the third step? What is the next till go live? Till go live, we have this step-by-step process. This complete implementation, minimum it will take 9 months, maximum 16 months. Okay. Next to rollout project. Once implementation is completed, okay, if you want to implement any specific country business process or specific company code business process or any other business process in existing system, then that process it will come under rollout project. Here it's not required to purchase the SAP license. Already everything is available. Okay, license is available and existing structure also there. We can copy the existing structure. We can extend it to additional country or additional company business process. Okay. Next one, enhancement project. This enhancement also similar to rollout project. Okay. This enhancement also similar to rollout project. If you are enhancing any sub modules in SAP, then that enhancement, that process, that work, it will come under enhancement project. Here also we are using SAP system. Within SAP we are extending we are adding we are adding the new module or new company code, new process, new work, then the project it will come under enhancement project. Upgradation project, all version upgrades. Okay, currently I'm in older version. Now I'm planning to move from older to new version. That work it will come under upgradation project. Okay, support, continuous support is required after upgradation, after enhancement, after rollout, after implementation. Okay, it's required the continuous support. It's required the continuous support. What kind of support? Okay, what kind of support? Example, initially implementation time, implementation team suggested use standard report. Okay, use standard report regarding the last time we explained, right? What is the report? Example, tax report. Tax report is available in standard SAP. You can use this standard report. But after 2-3 months, okay, user is observed some of the fields are not available in existing report. Okay, now it's required they required the new report. Okay, they required the new report. This new report they have to contact with the support to team. Support to team will develop this enhancement. This is enhancement. Okay, this is a implementation, new report implementation. New report they will deliver within week or 2 weeks or 3 weeks or 5 weeks, whatever delivery timelines they committed. Based on the delivery timelines, they will work and they will complete this enhancement, this report. Okay. This support is a continuous support regarding the any new developments or their regular business process. They're facing any difficulties, they're facing any issues, then they will clear the support team will clear the incidents. Okay, following, right, sir? Yeah. Please note down one by one. First one, implementation project. First one, implementation project. First one, implementation project. First one, implementation project. All fresh implementations, all fresh implementation projects will come under implementation. All fresh implementation projects will come under implementation. This is the first project. This is the first project. Before starting this, before starting this, we have to purchase the SAP license or SAP server. SAP license or SAP server. SAP license, SAP server. from SAP. From SAP. One server is available. Then implementation team. Then implementation team. Then implementation team will configure the system. Will configure the system. Then migrate. Then migrate existing system. Then migrate the existing system data to new SAP system. Existing system data to new SAP system. Here SAP recommended the implementation project duration. Here SAP recommended the SAP implementation project duration 9 to 16 months. 9 months to 16 months. 9 months to 16 months. Here we have to follow step-by-step procedure. Here we have to follow step-by-step procedure. Step-by-step procedure for successful implementation. Sir, my voice is clear, right? Because I connected through mobile network.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Audible.
Yeah. Here SAP provided the roadmap. Here SAP provided the roadmap for implementation. Methodologies for implementation. Methodologies. We have many methodologies. We have multiple methodologies, but best methodology is activate and ASAP, ASAP methodology, activate and ASAP methodology. Here we have the phases. In ASAP. Here we have phases in ASAP. ASAP is a methodology, sir. Okay. First one. Project preparation. First one, project preparation. Second one, business blueprint. Third one, realization.
Sir, what is it second one?
Sorry, business blueprint. Third one, realization. Fourth one, final preparation. Fifth one, cutover. Activities, and sixth one, go live and support. Project preparation, business blueprint, realization, final preparation, cutover activities, go live and support. Okay, sir, in detail I will explain later, present not required. Just to understand I will explain, just to understand notes and other things not required, I will explain later. Sir, in implementation ASAP methodology level, this is the first step. Okay, this is the first step. Here, what is the first step of project preparation? Okay, project preparation. In this phase, mostly project manager will involve. Okay, project manager involvement is more compared to other consultants. Okay, we discussed earlier, right? What is the project manager work and other things? Here, this is a team. Okay, this is the team. Any implementation, first it will start the project preparation. Project preparation stage, mostly project manager will involve. Okay, here project manager first step is recruit the resources. Okay, recruit the resources, like how many senior managers required, what is the total team size is required, and all the things. Okay, he will prepare, project manager will prepare the complete project recruitment process. And after that, okay, project manager will prepare the project charter, simple chart. What is the first activity? Okay, what is the date? Okay, what is the starting activity? What is the date? When to start, when to complete? What is the starting date? What is the ending date? Okay, starting date and target date. Similarly, project manager will prepare complete project related charter. Okay, what is the project preparation, when to start, recruitment, when to complete, okay, charter, when to start, what is the complete, all the things he will prepare as part of project preparation. And in the same phase, in the project preparation stage, last step is, in this first phase, last step is kickoff meeting. Okay, here in project preparation stage, project manager will conduct one meeting. That meeting name is called kickoff meeting. Here in kickoff meeting stage, all from client side team and this project manager team, okay, Capgemini team and client Sony team, they will meet together. Okay, and first client will explain what is the expectation from my side. I am the client. Okay, currently I am using Tally. Okay, I am going to new software. What is my expectation? Okay, currently I am using small mobile. Now I am planning to purchase the Android mobile or iPhone. What is the expectation? Why I am moving from small mobile to Android mobile or iPhone mobile? That expectation client will explain. Okay, this is the my current issues. Okay, I am facing lot of issues related to this process in my current Tally system, and these issues I cannot expect in SAP. I need the solution from you in SAP system. This is my business process. Okay, I am executing the payments like this. I am receiving the payments from customer like this. This is a process. This is my sales process. This is a purchase process. This is a payment process. This is a bank process. Everything. This is the asset life cycle process. This is my production process. This is my planning. This is my actuals. Everything they will explain from client side in kickoff meeting stage. Once client is completed the explanation, then from our side we have to pick up one topic from each one in the team. Okay, from team side, consulting team side, senior manager will assign the one topic. Example, team leader, 10 team leaders. One team leader pick up finance AP process, SAP AP process, SAP MM process, SAP SD process, SAP banking process, SAP manufacturing process, SAP planning process. Like that they will assign, and we have to prepare the PPT. From our side, we have to prepare one simple PPT. Okay, why? Because client they don't know what is SAP. Okay, how the process, they know they know the how to process in existing system, but they don't know how to process in SAP system. What is the SAP benefit and how the integration is working? Everything they don't know. Okay, these points we have to prepare individually. Okay, topic wise presentation document, and we have to present in front of client as part of kickoff meeting, right? Following, right, sir? Kickoff meeting stage, they will explain the what is their expectation, their issues, everything they will explain from client side. After that, we have to explain, okay, what is the SAP benefit and what are all the things we have in SAP, what is the implementation, how we will implement, all the things we'll explain as part of our portion in project preparation, right? After that, once this is completed, we have to get the sign off from them. Yes, we attended the meeting and everything is proper, everything is going good, and I'm giving the sign off. Right, sir? After that, it will start the what? Which process? Next phase. Next phase is business blueprint. Okay. Once project preparation is completed, next one is business blueprint. Blueprint nothing but documentation. Blueprint is document. Okay. They will provide the first. They will provide the as is document. As is. As is nothing but currently how they are following the process, how they are following the process in current system, what is the business process from their end. Those things they will prepare one Word document, any document, Word or Excel or Notepad or some other macros, everything they will use, and they will provide the simple documentation how they are processing, they are following currently in current system. Okay, right? And same thing, we have to convert to SAP process. We have to convert to SAP process. We have to prepare the future business process document. Okay, what is the future? Okay, this is the current. What is the future? Okay, how we will implement current business process and future business process. That document we have to prepare from our side. Following, right? It is simple, sir. Present it's not required. Okay, this is too early to discuss these things. Okay, if you understand this high level, please remember the things. Okay, I will explain again as part of project class. Present not required. Just I am explaining. This is the time. Just instead of reading the step by step, just I am explaining what is what. Okay, business blueprint. Business will provide the current business process, that is as is process. Based on the as is process, we have to prepare the to be nothing but future business process. Okay, we have to prepare the future business process. Here also project manager will assign. Okay, Venkat, you prepare the asset accounting. Okay, Ram, you prepare the fixed asset accounting, new GL, document splitting, and automatic payment process. Next, normal GL, classic GL, new GL, and material management process, sales process, banking process, like that. They will assign, and we have to understand the current business process and prepare the to be business process. In this step, we have to, if you have any questions, then directly you have to approach to client. Okay. I have read you your as is process document, but I have these many doubts. Please clarify, like that we have to connect with them or conduct the call. Okay, discuss in the call and prepare and close the all the business blueprint activities. Once blueprint is ready, once blueprint is ready, based on the blueprint, we will set up the structure in SAP system. Okay, we will set up the structure in SAP system. Once the structure is available, then we have to test entire complete process. We have to test in final preparation stage. Okay, we have to test in final preparation stage, end-to-end testing. From our side, we have to test, and also business side, we have to ask them to test whether whatever you provided, okay, that information working fine or not. Please test. That is UAT, user acceptance testing, UAT. Okay, we have to test first as part of final preparation. Once our testing is completed, okay, we have to ask the business team to complete the testing from their side. That is UAT. UAT meaning full form, user acceptance testing. Once they completed the UAT, or example during the UAT they observed something, that result is not as per expected, then again they will send the results to us, and we have to rectify that value, and again we have to move it to respective system, and we have to test. If expectation is correct, then we have to ask them to continue the UAT. Okay, once UAT is completed, then this is the cutover activities. Cutover in the sense, whatever old data, historical data, we have to transfer from existing system to SAP system as part of cutover. Okay, cutover or other name is a migration. Okay, migration, data transfer, data migration, normal migration, all things we can call. Okay, as part of this cutover activities phase, we have to migrate or transfer, data transfer from existing system to SAP system. Okay, once this is completed, then we will release this is what go live, and from this date onwards, they will stop the process. They will stop the tally process. Okay, they will use their regular continuous business process. They will use SAP, and this date onwards, they will process their business transactions in SAP system. Right, sir? Once this is completed, go live is completed, implementation 99.99% implementation is completed. Okay, but after go live, initial support is required. 1 week, 2 weeks, 10 days, or 1 month. Okay, 2 months, 3 months, whatever they given the contract initially, whatever they signed initially in the contract papers, based on that they will support after implementation also, after go live. That is hypercare support. Okay, hypercare support, or other name is stabilization support. Okay, hypercare support, stabilization support. Sir, this is important, sir. All interviews, okay, if you update the implementation project, definitely they will ask the step by step, explain the implementation process. Okay, explain the implementation process. Yes, I worked 2 implementation projects, 3 implementation projects. If you know this process, every implementation is same. You can say, yes, I worked 10 implementation projects. Then explain the 1 implementation process. Okay, yeah, I worked ASAP methodology or activate methodology. In activate methodology or ASAP methodology, we have the roadmap to complete the project successfully. I will explain this step by step. Okay, what is the first activity and what is the last activity? I will explain step by step. The first step is project preparation. Project preparation, I was involved last phase, but initially, like almost like my project manager was involved completely in project preparation stage. Okay, he was prepared the project charter, recruit the resources and other activities he was completed, and he was conducted the one of the meeting, that is kickoff meeting. Kickoff meeting phase onwards, I was involved in my implementation project. I was explained the one of the business process related to asset accounting. Okay, any sir, pick up any one, whatever your comfortable area, pick up that. I was explain the fixed asset accounting process or automatic payment program process. Okay, yeah. Once initially in the kickoff meeting stage, they was explained all their business process. Okay, how they're currently processing in the current system, what is their expectations, what is the issues in the current system, all the things they explain. And after that we started in my team, we explained complete SAP functionality to client, but I was explained asset accounting process. And after that we received the kickoff meeting sign off from client. After sign off, okay, we asked them to provide the as is process document, that is current business process document. Okay, based on the current business process document, we prepared the to be document, that is future business process document, that is future business process document. And we prepare the, I completely involved financial accounting like automatic payment process, AP, AR, integration process, and I work the asset accounting, I work the other areas also. I was prepared completely all. Okay, and here sir we have to identify the gaps. We have to identify the gap. What does I mean by gap? Gap is not time, sir. Gap is not time. Gap is nothing but, okay, expectation. Whatever client is expecting, that particular expectation is not available in the standard structure. That is the gap. Gap between the client expectation and SAP standard. Okay, I am expecting my image in SAP. I am expecting my image in SAP. It is not possible generally. Okay, this is a gap. It is not available in SAP, right? SAP is standard product. SAP they delivered without any image. Your image is your specific. Okay, your specific. SAP delivered the structure completely related to industry standard. Your image is not industry standard, right? Your image is not industry standard, that your image is specific to your requirement, that whatever you required addition to standard, that things we have to identify as a gap, right? Yeah, we have to highlight this as part of business blueprint. I was identified the sum of the gap 1, gap 2, gap 3, gap 4. Okay, and after that, based on the business blueprint, future business process document, I was prepared the realization configuration. I set up the complete structure as part of realization, and I moved the changes to respective system for testing. I completed the testing. I completed the testing as part of testing. I completed as part of final preparation. I completed the testing, and once my testing is completed, I supported the business UAT. Okay, they completed the business UAT and they provided the sign off, and after that we completed the migration. Once this phase is completed, UAT is completed, then we have to migrate all your existing system historical data to SAP. Okay, your previous system data to SAP system as part of cutover activities. Once cutover is completed, we have to start the go live. Okay, from go live date onwards, all operations will record. We have to record in SAP system only. We have to close the existing system. Example tally, you have to close from this date onwards. Example, today is a go live. This day we have to process the first entry to complete entries, complete transactions. Following, right, sir? If you want, you can note down this implementation ASAP ASAP methodology roadmap phases. One is project preparation, business blueprint, realization, final preparation, cutover activities, go live support. Okay, following, right? Next one is, yeah, once go live is completed, we have to use the SAP system. Once go live is completed, 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 we have to use the SAP system for regular process. We have to use the SAP system for regular process and close the existing example Tally or some other software, sir, and close the existing old system, old software. Any questions or any questions on implementation? Any questions on implementation? If no, then next project is rollout project. Next project is rollout project. Rollout project. Rollout is extension. Rollout is an extension. If you are extending additional country business process, if you are extending additional country business process or company code business process, additional country business process or company code business process, in existing system, in existing SAP system, then this process it will come under rollout project. Then this process will come under rollout project. Then this process will come under rollout project. Here license is not required to purchase again. Here SAP license is not required to purchase again. Here SAP license is not required to purchase again. We will use the existing SAP system and complete the rollout project. This project duration will be 6 to 12 months. This project duration will be 6 to 12 months. This project duration will be 6 to 12 months. Next one, enhancement project. Next one is a enhancement project. Next one is enhancement project. Next one is a enhancement project. If you are extending or enhancing, new SAP module in existing SAP system, then this process will come under enhancement project. This project duration will be 3 to 6 months. This project duration will be 3 to 6 months. This project duration will be 3 to 6 months. Example. Currently, client is using SAP system. They implemented the FI module initially without asset accounting. They implemented the FI module initially without asset accounting, without asset module. Now they want to implement. They want to implement asset accounting in existing system. Now they want to implement asset accounting or asset module in existing system. This work, it will come under enhancement project. Next one is upgradation project. Next one is upgradation project. All version upgrades, it will come under this process. It will come under this project. This project duration will be 4 to 8 months. Example. Currently I am using the project duration 4 to 8 months. Project duration will be 4 to 8 months. Example. Currently client is using SAP. ECC 6.0. Now they want to migrate or they want to move. They want to move to S4 HANA latest version. This is a version upgrade. Within SAP. They are moving from. This is a version upgrade within SAP. They are moving from one version to other version. They are moving from one version to other version. This work, it will come in upgradation project. Next one is a support project. Next one is support project. Next one is a support project. After completion of above four projects, after completion of above four projects, after completion of above four projects, project will move to support. Project will move to support, and it will require the continuous support. And it will require the continuous support. It's required the continuous support in any SAP version. In any SAP version. Okay, there is no duration, sir. This is a continuous support. Continuous support is required. Okay, if you want, you can write, you can note down this diagram for simple understanding. Okay, see, all fresh implementations. Okay, earlier, initially implemented only US. Now US to India and UK rollouts. Only FI implemented, now enhancing the COSD module, currently using ECC version and moving it to S4 HANA version. Okay, example, here they're implementing phase by phase, phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, phase 4. Okay, phase 1 they implemented in 2022 from Tally to SAP, and 2024 India they're moving from Tally to SAP. This is a rollout, and 2028 till 2028 they are in Tally. Okay, UK business process. UK group is same, sir. Across the group they are not implemented one time. Single time they are not implementing one time. Why? Because of budget constraints. Other one due to timelines, budget, risk, everything. Okay, due to those things, those considerations, they are not implemented one time across the globe. First they implemented US, and as part of phase 2 they implemented to India. As part of phase 3 they implemented to UK. As part of phase 3 or phase 4 or phase 10 they implemented to some other country. These phases, okay, these phase implementations, it will come under rollout project, right, sir? And only FI implemented, now enhancing the MM, that is enhancement project, and older ACC, now S4 HANA. This is upgradation project. Okay, I will share this file. Okay, based on this file you can note down in detail. Okay, any questions, sir, regarding the SAP projects? Any questions, sir? Any questions, any doubts?
No, sir.
Next one is, if no, then I will start the next topic. Next topic is SAP landscape, SAP servers. SAP landscape, SAP servers. This is important, sir. SAP landscape, SAP server. Heading SAP landscape, SAP server. SAP landscape, SAP server. So this file I will share. Okay, complete this diagram. Please note down in your notes. Okay, after completion of the session today itself, please complete this diagram in your notes. Okay, right? This complete landscape, SAP landscape diagram. Okay, right, sir. I will share this file and I will explain this landscape in next session, tomorrow's session. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow, it will take 2 days time to complete this. Okay. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow, I will complete this. And from Monday onwards, I will start the actual SAP process setup. Okay. I will start the implementation. Okay. I will start the implementation. Following, right? Any questions are till here? Please concentrate on this, sir. Personal account, nominal account, real account. These accounts, based on this account, please complete at least. You can search in Google. Okay. Search in Google. RP Trivedi accounting entries, like that you can search. Based on that, you can form the accounting entries. At least 20 to 100 entries you can form. Based on that, complete that. If you know 100, if you form 100 entries properly, then it will be easy. Okay, it is simple, sir. Accounting is simple. Based on these 3 rules only, it will complete, it will, accounts will operate. Complete accounting. Okay, complete accounting, it will dependent on these 3 rules: personal account, real account, and nominal account. Following, right? Okay, sir. Then if you don't have any questions, then I will close the today's session. Thank you. Thanks for joining.